Hi, I'm here to explain RainBNB in the simplest way possible. Forget everything complicated you've heard about crypto. Let me show you why thousands of people trust this platform and how it works, all in plain English. So, what is RainBNB? Imagine a community savings club, but instead of someone holding your money, it's all running automatically on the blockchain. No banks, no middlemen, just a smart contract, which is like a digital robot that follows rules that can't ever be changed. Now, here's the genius part. This smart contract is immutable. That means once it's created, nobody can touch it, change it, or steal from it. Not me, not the founders, not even hackers, nobody. Think of it like a vending machine. You put money in, follow the steps, and your payment comes out automatically. It doesn't matter who you are, the machine just follows the rules. And your earnings? They go directly to your wallet, instantly, whenever you meet the requirements. No waiting for approval, no company bank account, no person in the way. The blockchain pays you, automatically. So, how does it actually work? Step 1. You join at the beginner level, starting from as little as $5 worth of BNB crypto. Step 2. You invite just 2 people. That's your only requirement to unlock unlimited BNB earnings. When your 2 direct invites join, you earn a 10% commission sent instantly to your wallet. As your team grows and upgrades, you start earning massive bonuses, 79% direct bonuses, and 69% upgrade bonuses when they rank up. Upgrade your own rank, and you unlock even more levels to earn from. Once your 2 directs are in and active, you qualify for unlimited instant BNB payments. It's literally that simple. Here's what's powerful. You only need 2 direct referrals to unlock everything. Just 2 people. Once they're in and meet their requirements, the smart contract opens the floodgates. You can earn from your entire community instantly. No caps, no limits, no delays. Maybe you're thinking, this sounds too good to be true. Here's why this is different. With RainBNB, you're not trusting people, you're trusting code. The smart contract's been running since launch, paying members automatically every single day. You can even verify every transaction on the blockchain yourself. It's 100% transparent. Nobody can run away with your money because nobody has access to it. The contract is decentralized and ownership is locked forever. Bottom line, once you meet the minimum, just 2 direct referrals who activate. Nothing and nobody can stop your instant payments. The blockchain doesn't make mistakes. If conditions are met, payment is sent, instantly, unlimited. RainBNB isn't complicated, it's just new. Start with 2 people, earn massive bonuses as your community grows, and let the blockchain guarantee your payments. Start small, see it work, then decide if you want to grow. The opportunity is here. The choice is all yours. Ready to see how it works? Message me and I'll walk you through your first step personally. Let's build this together.